Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to set order limits by day or time in Shopify, which is useful for managing sales, special promotions, or inventory control. With Shopify's built-in features, you can easily restrict the number of orders a customer can place in a given day or time period. First, you'll want to access your Shopify admin and navigate to the Settings section. From there, go to Checkout or Shipping and Delivery, depending on the version of Shopify you are using. While Shopify does not have a direct native feature for setting time-based or day-based order limits, you can use apps to achieve this functionality. Many apps, such as Order Limits Minimum and Maximum or Advanced Shipping Rules, allow you to configure these kinds of limits. Once you have installed the relevant app, follow the on-screen instructions to configure your order limits. For example, you can set a limit on the number of items a customer can purchase within a specific time frame, or even restrict orders based on the day of the week. These settings are customizable, so you can adjust them according to your business needs, like limiting sales to certain hours or ensuring customers can only place a specific number of orders in one day. When setting these limits, it's important to test them first to make sure they work as expected. Also, inform your customers clearly about the limits on your product pages or through notifications, so they're aware of any restrictions before making a purchase. This method ensures that you can control your sales volume and maintain better inventory management, while also offering a better customer experience by preventing overordering during high-demand periods. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.